A man who spends millions on a single video could live in any mansion on Earth. He could own a penthouse in Dubai or a palace in Beverly Hills. But the truth about where MrBeast lives is more shocking than you can imagine. Today, we unlock the doors to MrBeast's secret real estate empire. It's not a story about one mega mansion, but a story about a brilliant strategy that has turned an entire neighborhood into his personal creative campus. We'll explore the house he actually lives in, the properties he's bought for his team, and the incredible multi-million-dollar studio that is the heart of his operation. Get ready, this is not a typical celebrity house tour. Let's begin with the biggest surprise, MrBeast's own personal home. Located in a quiet cul-de-sac in Greenville, North Carolina, this is the house he has lived in for years. He bought this house in 2018 for around $320,000. It's a 3,000 square foot home with 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. By celebrity standards, this is incredibly modest. The interior is clean, modern, and functional, but it lacks the gold toilets and marble statues you might expect from a billionaire. It's designed for living, not for showing off. This choice reveals his core philosophy: why spend tens of millions on a lavish mansion when that money could be reinvested to create 2 or 3 more insane videos? But this is where the story gets interesting. One house wasn't enough. So, MrBeast started buying the other houses in his neighborhood. The first one he bought was for his family. This second house, costing around $263,000, became a home for his closest relatives, ensuring they were always nearby. This was the first step in creating his campus. Soon after, he began buying even more houses on the same street, specifically for his key employees and childhood friends who form the core of his team. Reports show he spent around $1.45 million to purchase 3 more homes, all without a mortgage. He paid in cash, ensuring he owned the properties outright. Why do this? It's a genius business move. By having his top talent living within walking distance, collaboration becomes seamless. An idea at 2 a.m. can become a plan by 2:15 a.m. These homes are not just places to sleep. One house is rumored to be a dedicated creative space, another for storing props, and another for housing visiting staff. This MrBeastification of the neighborhood creates a private, secure, and highly efficient work environment, hidden in plain sight. No need for a flashy corporate office. But a few houses are not enough to produce videos on his scale. For that, you need something much, much bigger. Enter the MrBeast studio. While the exact location is a closely guarded secret, his main studio is a massive warehouse facility, estimated to be over 50,000 square feet. This property, likely costing several $1,000,000, is the heart of his content factory. It's where the truly insane sets are built. Inside, you'll find everything from a foam pit the size of a swimming pool to giant, life-sized replicas used in his challenge videos. The studio also houses his main offices, editing bays, and a massive prop warehouse where everything from giant stacks of cash to cars are stored. Recently, MrBeast has been expanding. He acquired a second, even larger studio space to handle his growing operations. This new facility is rumored to be where his Feastables company operates from, containing a food-grade production area and massive storage for his chocolate bars. So, what is the total value of this real estate empire? Let's do the math. The neighborhood houses cost him around $2 million. The studio properties are harder to value, but industrial warehouses of that size in the area could easily be worth between $5 to $10 million combined. So, while he lives in a modest home, his total real estate investment is likely well over $12 million. A significant but smart investment. Let's compare this to other celebrities. A single mansion in Los Angeles for a star like The Rock or Kylie Jenner can cost upwards of $30 million. MrBeast's strategy is completely different. He doesn't buy real estate to show off wealth, he buys it as a tool to create more wealth. Every property serves a purpose in his content machine. The houses provide proximity for his team, and the studios provide the space for his imagination to run wild. This approach also gives him an incredible amount of privacy and security. By owning the whole neighborhood, he controls the environment completely. He can film videos in the street, test crazy ideas in his backyard, and operate without worrying about neighbors complaining or leaking his plans. This is perhaps the smartest part of his entire operation, a lesson in business strategy that goes far beyond just making YouTube videos. He has built a real-life, creator compound that is the envy of the digital world, and he did it without the flash and drama of Hollywood. He has prioritized efficiency, community, and creativity over luxury and status. A choice that has clearly paid off. While he could afford any house in the world, he chose to invest in his people and his process first. So the next time you see an insane MrBeast video, remember that it was likely born in one of the most unassuming yet powerful creative spaces on the planet. A suburban street in Greenville, North Carolina, secretly the headquarters of the biggest YouTube channel in the world. What do you think of his real estate strategy? Is it pure genius, or would you rather have the single mega mansion? As his empire continues to grow, it's almost certain his real estate portfolio will too. What will he buy next? A private island for video shoots? Perhaps an entire apartment building for his expanding team? With MrBeast, anything is possible. Let us know what you think he'll buy next in the comments below. We read every single one. And make sure you subscribe, so you don't miss our next investigation into the incredible empire of MrBeast.